Hello, my name is John Walsh with the Logic Group, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how easy and fast it is to digitize pieces of a dress pattern and save them as a DXF file. In this pattern I've got 7 pieces. I've gone ahead and digitized the first 3 patterns, and I'm now going to digitize the last 4 patterns. In the software, I simply click the digitize button on the left. I tell it I want to do a boundary cut line. I click next. I'm going to use the combination method. I'm going to click start. It defaults where I digitize points and have lines connected. So I'm going to do a point here, a point here, and a point here. Those are connected with lines. I now tell the software I have a curve, and then I just go in there and digitize points right along that curve. And then I've got 2 curves that meet. I got to click a line and then click a curve. And I digitize points on the other curve. I then digitize, I now have a line at the top. I tell the software line, digitize a point at the end of the line. I have a curve now. I tell the software I'm back on a curve. I just digitize points along that curve until I get to the end of the curve. I now switch back to a line, digitize the point at the other end of the line, and then I'm back on a curve. I tell it a curve, I just digitize points along that curve. And then I've got another curve. And digitize points along that other curve. All the way down. Then when I'm all done, I just click done. And I have my pattern. Okay, I'm now going to do my next pattern. I click digitize on the left. I tell it it's another boundary cut line. I click next, and then I click start. Again, I digitize points at the bottom where I've got a couple lines, straight lines. And then I tell the software I have a curve. And then I digitize points along that curve. And then I have another curve. So I've got to start that curve. And here the curve changes a lot, so I got to do my points fairly close together. And then I have another curve on the other side. I just click, since it's real smooth, I don't have to do that many points along the curve. And then I click done. And it has the second piece. So I've got 2 more pieces left. I click the digitize button on the left. I do boundary cut line. I click next, combination method. Click start. And I digitize point at the bottom. And then there I had a straight line at the beginning of this side. I switch to a curve. Digitize the points along that smooth curve. And then I have another curve there, so I come in here, click line, and then click curve to start the next curve. I do a couple points close because it's changing real fast. And then I have a line at the top. And then I have a curve at the back side. And I come in here and digitize the points along that curve. And then I click done, and it's got that piece done, and I only have 1 more piece left. I come in here and click digitize, boundary cut line, click next. And again, I digitize the points at the bottom. And there's a straight line there. And then I switch, whoops, I forgot to click start. Let's try this again, click start. Digitize points at the bottom for my straight lines. I switch to a curve, digitize the points along that curve. The curve isn't changing much. I can do those points far apart. And then I have a line at the top. And I do the point at the end of the line. I've got another curve. I digitize the points along that curve. And then I have a line. digitize the point at the line. almost done now. Go back to curve. And I digitize points along the curve. And then I click done. And I've finished all 7 pieces. Now if I wanted, I could go in and digitize my notches and my grain lines. And when I'm all completely finished, I come in here and click Create File. On the side, I'm going to tell it save it as an ASTM file. We call this dress. And then hit Save. And it's saved to DXF-ASTM file. Again, my name is John Walsh with the Logic Group. Our company is www.logicgroup.com. Thank you very much.